Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these headphones into pairing mode. So if we look here, we have the plus and minus button. What you want to do is first turn it off, and then once you turn it off, you want to press and hold that plus button. Keep holding it until it starts blinking blue, red, which will indicate it's in pairing mode and is what we want. Okay, so let me just turn these off first. Let me press and hold that plus button. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. Okay, that red light there. Okay, now it's off. Now I'm going to press and hold the plus button until it starts blinking blue, red. Okay, plus button is right here. Ready? Press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. Okay, now it also says pairing too if you have it in your ear. So now it's in pairing mode. So now let's shoot over to our iPhone and go directly to your settings, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on here, and then down here you see that little spinning thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And these are still in the pairing mode. If it takes too long, then you can always turn Bluetooth off and just turn it back on, basically just a rescan. Yeah, there you go, OpenRun by SHOKZ. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. Voila, we're connected, and I just heard the connecting chime as well. So there you go, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it in a pairing mode or connections or problems connecting, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.